Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, we're doing part 3 of my little series of the 4 palettes using one look. No, the 4 looks using one palette with the 39A by Morphe, which is the Dare to Create eyeshadow palette. And for today's video, I will be focusing on these 8 shades that we have in this corner here. So that is what I will be using to create today's look. Like you already saw by the title, I did kind of like a halo eye. I didn't do like a cut crease, nothing crazy like that. I just attempted to do a very simple halo eye, which is the look that I have on right now. So if you're interested about more information on the palette, I will go ahead and link my first video where I give you the price, I give you a little bit more information, and I show you swatches on all the shades, which is 39 shades of the palette. But for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on how to create a look with those 8 shades and create the look that I have on right now. So I'll go ahead and get started and show you how I got this look. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my brows. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and for the lid, I primed it with the e.l.f. primer. I don't think it has a name. It's just the primer, and it's in sheer. I actually heard today Samantha March talking about this on her empties video, and she says that she really liked it, and I had it in my drawer, so I figured, hey, let's pull it out and see what it can do. So it just pretty much sets your eyes. It has a little bit of a tint to it, nothing too crazy, and it's not really sticky, so I don't think I need to set it with anything. I'll just go ahead and start with the shade that I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with Sunder, and I'm going to start adding that to the crease. And I want to take this pretty high and then just blending it out everywhere. And then we're not going to worry about this because we're just going to clean it out after. Okay, so all the shades from the corner I'm using, they're all pretty much shimmers, so except for 2 out of the 8. So we'll see what we can come up with. I kind of want to do like a halo eye, but not like, you know, cut crease and all that, just the regular halo eye. We will attempt it and see how that goes. Okay, up next I'm going to take indigo very lightly and start adding it to the inner, I always do this, to the inner part of the lid and then the outer part of the lid. And I'm just taking a blender brush and then not adding any extra product and just kind of blending it out. Not bad. Okay, I know it looks a little weird, but we're just gonna keep on going and see what happens. Okay, and up next with my finger, I'm gonna take Image and start adding that to the center of the lid. It's a super pretty, like, shimmery blue. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of indigo and then just add that to the crease, just so that very little of it. Just want to kind of blend everything in. I'm just very lightly tapping. Okay, and up next I'm going to take Tailor and I'm going to wet it. Cobalt a little bit and then add that to the center of the lid, and then hopefully create a halo eye. Interesting. So this one actually applies better dry, not wet. Not bad. Okay, for being my first time. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit more with my finger. I think that's gonna intensify it a little bit. Okay, so apparently my camera was not recording, but I took Dare Me, which is another shimmer, and I just kind of put it between these two shades, just kind of connecting it so there's no like harshness. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go back into Indigo, and I'm just gonna add that to more to the outer corner. I just want to deepen it out a little more because I feel like we lost some of it with everything else that's happening. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up under the eye, finish the rest of my face, and we'll come back to finish the eyes. Okay, and now for the lash line, I'm gonna take Transitional and start adding that to the bottom lash. Okay, and then up next, I want to take Color. It's not color, I don't know how you say it. Okay, and then for the waterline, I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cobalt. Okay, and for my inner corner, I'm just gonna take my highlight, my Super Shock, what is it called? My Super Shock Cheek Highlight in Flexitarian, and just add that to the inner corner. And I'm gonna smudge out my waterline. Alright, and this is the final look. I decided to pair it with the e.l.f. Lipstick in Cheeky, and I thought it looked really pretty. I'm not sure if it does, but I thought so. But anyways, being my first time doing a halo eye, I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know below. But for today's video, I ended up using 5 shades out of the 8, which is not that great, but I mean, I couldn't really use this one because it was purple, and these two are really more on the brown side, so I just didn't know where to put them, so I did not use them. And also, ignore my hair because it's having a crisis today. That's why I didn't take off my headband, because it's wild. That's what we're dealing with right now, so we're leaving the headband on. And anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.